Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to hypnotize your parakeet. First of all, you need this very special hypnotizing fan. This allows you to hypnotize your bird very easily. This is how you do it. Dexter, look into my special fan. You are getting very sleepy. You're feeling refreshed by the cool breeze as you become hypnotized. Look into the special fan. You're getting especially hypnotized. When I turn the fan off, you will be under my spell and ready to do all that I asked you to do. Dexter, go earn a paycheck. Go earn a paycheck. You ready? Here we go. And that's how